Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where roaches travel and removing food or standing water that distracts bait uptake. Once done, open the bait station and place it with the narrow edge against the wall. You want contact with the roach's path. Make sure to avoid sprays or powders nearby since they repel roaches from the bait. You should prioritize high-traffic microhabitats under sinks, behind the stove, and near drains. Spacing placements roughly 6–12 inches apart so multiple roaches discover the toxin and carry it back to the nest. Once baits are in place, monitor them on a short schedule to track activity. You should inspect every 3–7 days and note powder or dead roaches. Replacing stations is necessary if they're filled with debris or gone. Make sure to continue cleaning food residues because better sanitation increases bait attractiveness relative to competing food. If you see little to no activity after 2 weeks, reposition stations slightly along the same trail or add one near a suspected harborage. This improves discovery without overusing product. You'll finish by gradually removing or consolidating bait stations as visible activity drops. This usually occurs within 4–8 weeks. Make sure to continue sealing entry points and using glue traps to gauge residual population. These actions prevent reinfestation. If you still observe roaches, switch to alternate bait chemistry or increase station density and consider professional help. Finally, always check for child or pet access and swap to tamper-resistant stations if needed. This single step prevents accidental ingestion and keeps the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.